honestly more than grateful for whatever anyone can spare. You know, I honestly do not have anything at all right now. You know, I pray to God anything tonight. Just anybody.
That's what it's about. Anybody can do it, but
George Washington.
President of the United States.
Just anybody.
you gotta apply a set of principles.
What do you know about Fancy?
A lady.
Now, to get back onto Market Street, we're looking
You're not just gonna get it
on
because you
Bird
want
Street
it.
towards 4th
You gotta be willing to
And on
work
the
hard.
left-hand
You gotta
side is
apply
Franklin
faith.
Court.
You gotta
Looking from this
apply
direction.
persistence. You
These two
gotta
points.
never ever give up.
Your group down that breezeway and walk into the Franklin Court courtyard. And one of your first stops. In January 2009, the federal government earmarked $18 million to renovate the entire Franklin Court complex.
Respect.